Okay, we've been telling you about those IT raids that has evoked a sharp response from the Congress party, and now we have the Chief Minister of the state of Karnataka, Siddaramaiah, also lashing out at the BJP over the income tax raids. In fact, Siddaramaiah, the Chief Minister, saying that these raids are being conducted as part of a political conspiracy, further alleging that income tax department has been used for their own benefits. Okay, so that is the big statement coming in there from the Chief Minister, Siddaramaiah. Pretty much on the same lines, we have Akshaya now joining us from outside the Eagleton Resort as well. So the Chief Minister now, Akshaya, after the Congress party raked up this matter in Parliament, hitting out at the BJP and again crying vendetta and conspiracy.
Well, Avantika, it's a very crucial period. If you see, for the last 4 days, more than 44 MLAs from Gujarat have been staying at Eagleton Resort here. And if you can see, there's still a lot of security and all. If my camera person can pan, we can see how the police presence still here. And today morning around 7 o'clock, very unexpectedly, an IT raid conducted at Eagleton Resort, as well as, residents and relatives and friends' places of DK Shivkumar. It was a shocker in the first time, and most of them started out saying that this is a pressure tactic by the BJP to put down the Congress and and to urge the Congress leaders who are staying inside Eagleton to come and join them. And in fact, it was seen that DK Shivkumar is a person who is taking care of these 44 MLAs. He is in charge of it right now. DK Suresh Kumar, who is Shivkumar's brother, he is inside the resort taking care, and they're all saying that this vendetta politics and they're targeting this leader earlier also, but the IT department has come out with a statement saying that under section 132 this is a strategy of collecting evidences, and that it was a pre-planned movement by the IT department, and it was only coincidental that these 44 MLAs happen to be here in the resort at the same time. But they've also mentioned that no hindrance was caused to any of these MLAs who were inside the resort. That is also concurred by the Congress leaders here. The youth wing leader was talking to us a little while ago, and he had mentioned saying the 40 odd MLAs who were staying inside, they were going through the training process and not affected at all. But what we have to see now is why DK Shivkumar being targeted now. He's the power minister of the state, and he's also been holding a lot of posts. Why is him as well as his family and friends being targeted now? Is BJP putting pressure on these Congress leader? That's a big question, but we'll have to wait for the IT department's revelations and discoveries, and only later can we make any statements regarding that also, Avantika.
Absolutely, Akshay. Keep a close watch on the developments outside Eagleton Resort, where those 40-odd MLAs have been residing.